Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To my supervisor, Madam Siti Nurwadaka Aina binti Muhammad Yusof, and my panel association, Professor Dr. Muhammad Saiful Rizal bin Abdul Hamid. My name is Siti Nasrullah Muhammad Sawi, and my matric number is B0618100029, and I'm from 3 BTMM Section 2. Today I will present about my topic final year project, which is Internet of Things, Consumer Adaptation toward Food and Beverage Services in Malaysia. Okay, I will go with the research problem. The first point is, in 2018, 87.4% user of smartphone using it to access the internet. So, based on this statistic, nowadays, smartphone is the main important thing that user will use to access to everything. Besides that, Malaysia also one of the country that planning process to improve IoT growth. The reason why Malaysia want to improve the IoT is because of IoT can flexibility information technology, which is it can deliver rapidly the result and support sustainable growth in increasing dynamic market environment. And also that IoT also is one of technology advance that can change the capability and transformation of customer experience toward the services organization and process. Next is research question and research objective summary. I will go with research question first. My research question is, first is, what is the prevalence the consumer adaptation toward food and beverage services in Malaysia? Second is, what is the flexibility of IoT technology used by food and beverage services in Malaysia? Third is, which factor is the most influencing the consumer adaptation toward food and beverage services in Malaysia? Next is research objective. First is to analyze the consumer adaptation toward food and beverage services in Malaysia. Second is to determine the flexibility of IoT technology used by food and beverage services in Malaysia. Third is to identify the most influencing the consumer adaptation toward food and beverage services in Malaysia. For literature review, I can divide it to two. First is independent value and second is dependent value. So for independent value, I will explain about flexibility technology. Flexibility technology can divide to two dimensions. First is structure and second is process. Structure is more to features of the technology, for example, the future of application and the website of company used to give the customer information. And for process is flow of the program that want to use the technology. So company use technology flexibility dramatically modified because of to good relationship between customer, supply chain management, and post-sale operation. Okay, second independent variable is customer experience. So customer experience is about customer response. So it can divide it to a few things, that's effective, emotional, social, and physical. And customer experience also can be customer enhance the value of service and the product. My third independent value is customer value. So it's customer value is customer is willing to pay more money to the services and goods, and the value that company give to the customer is satisfy their satisfaction. And customer value also is important to company is because of to build the engagement between company and customer. And customer value also can build the positive word of mouth about the services that company provide. Next is about dependent value, which is consumer adaptation towards food and beverage services. Okay, most of the consumer is poor in knowledge of emerging technology. So consumer can adapt the technology based on their perception. So the perspective of internet or website that customer use is it can boot the self-adaptation automatically. For research framework, I have three independent variable, which is flexibility, technology, customer experience, and customer value. And for dependent variable is consumer adaptation toward food and beverage services. Next, I will continue with proper research methodology. First, research design, I will use descriptive research. For sampling technique, I will use simple random sample. For data analysis method, I use 3 methods, which is descriptive analysis, person correlation analysis, and lastly, is regression analysis. For data source, I get from 2 sources. First is primary data, and second is secondary data. For secondary data, I collect the data from previous article and journal. And for primary data, I will distribute the questionnaire to customer that use food and beverage services. Next is research strategy. I will distribute 384 questionnaire to respondent answer. It is followed by Kretschy and Morgan 1970. And it is questionnaire design, and I use pilot test to check whether my questionnaire is correct or not before distribute to the respondent. For methodology choice, I use the quantitative research method. Location of my research in Malaysia, and last is validity and reliability. It can divide it into 4: internal, external, construct, and reliability. For respondent profile can divided into 2: scope and sample, and second is location. For scope and sample, population of Malaysia in 2020 is 32.7 million. So the respondent that I will choose is the consumer that use food and beverage services. And my target age is between 18 until 15 because of based on MCMC statistic. It is the most age that use the smartphone to access the internet. And last is my respondent also including with men and women. For the location in Malaysia, East, South, West, North, Sabah, and also Sarawak. Okay, last part is conclusion and future direction. So first, I will explain about limitation. So limitation, I come up with 3 limitations, which is limited time to complete the research, which is the time is too short to find the accurate or the right article or journal. Secondly is limited of respondent because of pandemic COVID-19. Respondent I will find in social media or online platform. For example, email, Facebook, and Twitter. So the limitation based on the dividend of age of the respondent and the religion of the respondent. Lastly, is limited to get information. So to get information about article and journey, I must access the internet. So internet must use the lot of data. So the information I will get is limited because of connection of the data. For recommendation, the future study can search more factors that influencing the consumer adaptation toward food and beverage services in Malaysia. For example, the factor maybe can be design, time, and environment of the services. For the conclusion, first, this study is focused on consumer adaptation who use Internet of Things on food and beverage services in Malaysia. Second, the research method will using quantitative method and distribute through online platform. So, this research also to gain knowledge about Internet of Things in Malaysia, and last but not least, for industry, this research will help to improve their services and fulfill demand of the customer. This is a Gantt chart where the process how I finish my PSM1. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.